thought plants were boring? Oh, sweet summer child. While you were out there worrying about your taxes or your ex's passive-aggressive texts, plants were busy engineering biochemical warfare, calling in airstrikes via bees, and running underground fungal telecom networks. Today, on Guess What I Found Out, we're going to discover some facts about the disturbingly smart, savagely strategic, and weirdly petty world of plants. Yes, those green things you forget to water. Yeah, they're smarter than you, George. Like this kind of green gossip? Slap that like button before your houseplant stages a coup. Seeds don't just sprout. No, they play a long, slow game of should I risk it? They run chemical diagnostics like a miniature NASA mission. Too warm? Might be a fake out. Too cold? Might die. Just right? Still suspicious? It's like if your grandma controlled plant reproduction. Maybe not today, sweetie. Some seeds literally wait for a forest fire before going full YOLO and sprouting. Others just hang out for decades like, I'll bloom when I feel like it. Plants can't move, but boy can they flirt. Ferns catapult pollen with microscopic trebuchets. Orchids dress up like sexy bees to get actual bees to, well, do stuff. Wild tobacco is like, I'm Polly, bees in the morning, hummingbirds in the afternoon. It's not a love life, Curious George. It's a strategic pollen war. If you've ever been tricked by someone pretending to like you, you may already qualify as a plant pollinator. Hit that subscribe button if you feel seen. Plants defend themselves with chemical alarms, microscopic spikes, and enough bitterness to rival your ex's Instagram captions. Acacias don't just stab giraffes with thorns. They gaslight their neighbours into becoming toxic too, literally. Meanwhile, corn calls parasitic wasps like it's dialing pest control. You're attacking me? Hold on while I summon your worst nightmare. Plants communicate via slow-motion electric signals and neurotransmitters like glutamate. Yes, Curious George, the same stuff in your brain. They detect caterpillar spit, not bites, spit. And when they're really mad, they release jasmonate, the hormonal equivalent of talk to the leaf. It makes them taste so bad even bugs leave Yelp reviews. Corn gets attacked by a caterpillar. It emits invisible signals to call a wasp that lays eggs inside the caterpillar. And the larvae eat it alive from the inside. George, that's not defense. That's plant-level revenge. Even oak trees call birds to come feast on caterpillars before they hatch. Like scheduling a pest control appointment with Mother Nature herself. If you've ever wanted to send a wasp after someone, maybe you should follow this channel before your ficus gets ideas. Underground, fungi form vast networks called mycelia. They connect plants, deliver nutrients, and let them share information like a leafy version of Reddit. Roots attract bacteria, trap them in nodes, and turn them into nitrogen factories. Basically, plants invented crowdsourcing. Meanwhile, industrial agriculture, it killed soil biodiversity. Plants now sit in dirt that's as sterile as a hospital waiting room. But by going back to biological partnerships, we're discovering farming might not have to suck forever. So next time you walk past a plant, just know it might be running chemical warfare, texting its mushroom friends, or calling in aerial bug assassins. You just forgot to water it. This has been Guess What I Found Out. Stay weird, Curious George.